Hi friends, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some items I got in my after Christmas shopping. I went to several different stores, so I'll probably break it up into a few videos just so they don't get too long. And this one is going to be my Hobby Lobby after Christmas haul. Normally I don't shop at Hobby Lobby, but I did go there after Christmas for the clearance items, and I know some of the stores still have these items in there and they're quite a bit off. I went when they were 75% off. I don't know what they are now, but I thought I would show them to you anyway because some of them I can use any time of the year. So stay tuned. So let's get started on my after Christmas Hobby Lobby items. So the first thing I got were these two little baskets, oops, that one's upside down, that say Noel in them. They had other ones that said, I think like joy and peace, but I wanted a couple that said Noel. And they have red lettering on them. I don't know if I'm going to keep them red. I may go over them maybe with a Sharpie to make them black or gold or some other color. We'll see. It's going to depend on how I do my decor next year. But that should be pretty easy to do because this is just kind of like paper, shiny paper. So I think a Sharpie would work really well on there. And these were originally $8. Can you believe that? $8. So I got them for $2 a piece. Then the next thing I found, I actually may use these in my sewing area as decor. They're these big buttons and they're kind of in a rustic tone right now. I will probably paint these with some chalk paint because I don't really like this dull gray color. It really looks like wood that's been sitting outside for a long time. And if I use them in my sewing area, I want them to not look rustic. So these were originally $3, so that means I got each of them for 75 cents, so that's not too bad. So I got 6 of them. Sometime I may use them as ornaments, I don't know, but I'm thinking more for my sewing area. The next things I saw, I only found 3 of them, but I thought they could work for Easter actually. And they are these little nests with eggs in them. And they do have some white on them as though it were snow, but you could paint over that if you wanted to use them for a different season. And these were $5 originally, so they were $1.25. And and they have a little clip on them so you can clip them onto your Christmas tree or some florals. And so I went ahead and picked them up because I don't think I could buy the materials for $1.25 to have these types of nests because I've looked before. And then I also found some greenery. It does have a little bit of sparkle on it, but I think you could incorporate it with other greenery and it would be just fine. So it's all lamb's ear with some little berries on it, and it has a little bit of, I don't know if it's coming across, a little bit of glitter in it, but from far away you probably wouldn't even be able to tell. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these bunches, and they were originally $5. So they were, what is that, about 25 a piece. So that's pretty good, and that's around the price of a Dollar Tree item, and they're much better quality. And then the last greenery item I found were these pine picks. These were originally $3, so 75 cents a piece, and they're just long spiky pine branches. I thought these could add interest to a floral arrangement at the holiday time, and you can see it has quite a few branches on it when you spread it out like this, and or in a smaller tree because I only did get 4 of them, but you can even layer them throughout the year to add some additional interest just to create greenery. It can look kind of like grass if you're just pulling it up behind some other things. So I thought those were very versatile, and I need some more greenery items. So that's the last floral item. And then this one is not Christmas, but I think the Decor was 40% off the day we went in, and I just had to get this. Life is better with a cat. I have 2 cats. One of them is a tricolor cat that has a white chest and legs and then some tiger striping in his back and body area. So he looks kind of like this, but it also sort of looks like our tortoiseshell cat. So I went ahead and got this, and originally this was $10, so 40% off it would make it $6. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put this yet, but I definitely think life is better with a cat. So those are all the items I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. Let me know in the comments down below if you got any of these same items after Christmas in your after Christmas shopping. And if you did like this video, why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up? That really helps me out. And if you are new to my channel and you like this sort of content as well as seasonal decorating and tablescapes, then why don't you consider subscribing? You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. I am going to be having a few videos coming up for Valentine's Day, but I think I'm going to go mostly into spring. So I will be doing those videos shortly, so if you like to see that sort of thing, then why don't you join? It's free. I want to thank all of you for watching. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. I have quite a few of them since the holiday time, and I really appreciate all of your support. Until next time, everyone, take care. Bye-bye.